Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 71 Plymouth GTX and this is by Hotwheels. And as you see, this is the Fast and the Furious series, and specifically this is the Fate of the Furious. So let's unbox it and see how it looks. Okay guys, here it is. Here is a closer look of it. Okay, this looks really beautiful. The black looks really nice. Here is the front view. Okay, it was in the box. I don't know why it is getting scratched. It is a mystery. Hope you guys can see the interior here. Here is the bottom view of it. As usual, the wheels are made of plastic. Okay guys, so that's it for today. So if you like my video, hit a thumbs up. If you loved my video, subscribe. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Goodbye.